Why you should take defense preparation at Soldier Training Academy. In this video, just I am going to talk. Because this academy offers complete, disciplined, and result-oriented training for defense jobs. Without this academy does not just prepare candidates for exams, it shapes them into confident future soldiers ready to serve the nation. That is why Soldier Training Academy is the right choice for defense preparation. Without, at Soldier Training Academy, you can take complete and well organized preparation for the medical, physical, written, viva, and ISSB examinations. Our academy is dedicated to helping candidates achieve their dream to joining the armed forces through proper guidance and discipline training. So, you should not waste your time. You can join Soldier Training Academy. Our admission is going on. Thank you very much.